Hi my dear, this is again your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace motif. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the magic ring and chain 1. Make 24 single crochets in this ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 4, and 5. 25 chains. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch and chain 25. At the end of the round, chain 25 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. You should have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 spaces. Make a slip stitch in first chain 1, make a slip stitch in second chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 slip stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 2 double crochets in this space. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 double crochets in same space. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 3 double crochets in same space. 1, 2, and 3. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a slab stitch in third chain. Okay, make a slab stitch in third chain. Chain 1, make a single crochet in same stitch. Chain 2, make 7 double crochets in the space of 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 double crochets. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in first double crochet of second petal. Chain 2 and make 7 double crochets in the space of 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in first double crochet of next petal. Chain 2 and keep going. At the end of the round, chain 2 and 1 and 2. Make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Make 2 single crochets in next space. Make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a pocket. Make a pocket. Make 1, 2, 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches and make 2 single crochets in next space. Okay, make 2 single crochets in next space and make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets in next 4 stitches. Chain 3 and make a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 single crochets in next space. 1 and 2. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Chain 1. Cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit and for the thumbs up. If you enjoy my video, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Have a nice day.